Hi friends, we just received our new chandelier. This is for our dining room. It's a modern kind of chandeliers. Let me show you. It's really nice. Have the instructions here and all the accessories to put it together and install it. Okay, this is the base for the lamp. And you can see here the actual lamp, the chandelier, okay? So it will be like this, and all the crystals will hang from it, and it will look really nice in our dining room. You'll see. Thank you. Yes, we finished. Look how nice and beautiful this chandelier looks with all those crystal pendants, with that golden color, and with the beautiful light that comes from inside and that seems that flows through all the crystals in the chandelier. These are really nice lighting for our dining room, and we really recommend it. Very nice. Thank you.